Test local cruise special, Borebetsnik. Ayan ay 10 August 2025. Sunday, ito alas 7:30 na pasado. Alas 8 na. So we prepare for its Borebetsnik transition na to covering water square kilometers over Nabaya Semlia. Testing range. At least 4 Russian vessels have been moved to observe the system of which Barents Sea, which is held to start mission during large missile test. Standard missile test. In this week's cargo ship have also made multiple stops on suggesting logistical operations. Special Osado of the investigation of the part of the representative of special design of plant testing of Borebetsnik Skyfall missile. Those calculations is a nuclear power engine to achieve limited range to achieve the missile of launch after launch.